Hi, GB.
I don't want it.
What are we doing here?
I don't want it.
Where's this?
Sofa.
And why did you do this?
I don't want it.
Sorry?
This is sticky.
What is sticky?
This.
Why?
I need to buy a brand new one.
You need to buy a brand new one.
Yeah.
You want me to buy a new Hoover?
Yes, this one's sticky.
This one is sticky?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Why do you have that plastic on the Henry?
It's not basket.
Hmm.
It's sofa. It's sofa.
Why?
No. It's this one sticky.
What is sticky? Your GB Henry? Your Super Henry?
Yeah. I think.
So you want me to put this in the bin?
Yeah.
Should I put this Hoover in the bin?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Come on, guys. Let's put the GB's Super Henry in the bin.
I need to go to shops and you can cut the carpet.
You want to get the carpet from shops?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine.
It's really on.
How about we go tomorrow to the shops and buy some carpet for you?
I
Yes?
need to take the tool off and to put in big tool and clean the carpet.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Let's do that then.
Yeah.
Let's get you carpet.
Where's the carpet?
Do you want to go tomorrow to the shops and buy some carpet for your Hoover?
No.
Hmm?
Where's the carpet? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
It's in the shops.
Why?
Because.
No. It's why stairs?
Upstairs?
Yeah.
Why the carpet's upstairs?
Yeah. Where's the tool?
Tools?
Yeah.
Where are they?
Where?
I don't know. They're hiding.
It's not hiding.
They're hiding from GB Henry.
It's not hiding. No.
Oh, wow.
Why sticky?
Why sticky? Do you remember what you did? You put sellotape.
I know this.
Do you remember? You put sellotape on the whole GB Henry. It's okay. We can tell Daddy to clean it for you, yeah?
Shower?
You don't want to give Henry shower.
No.
Hmm?
I'll clean the towel. I'll clean the shower.
You will clean it with towel?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Don't me mark.
Sorry?
Don't me mark. No. Look. That's it.
Why are you sad?
Oh God, I want a video. I want it on.
Yeah.
On. I want it to
We need to get carpet first and then we can turn it on, yes?